Customer complained about a loud noise. I heard it from this unit. These are twin together, but it's definitely coming from this unit. I pulled this cover off and I can smell something burning. The motor is really hot, so I know it's not spinning, it's locking up. And when I spin it, I don't think you can see it, but it doesn't want to spin too free. But what I'm gonna do is check the capacitor. If it's good, then we know it's a blower motor and we'll have to change it out. All right. Let's see what this capacitor reads. It should be 10 UF. .93, I'd say that's good. It's supposed to be 10 plus or minus 6, so we're looking at a blower motor change. Gotta protect your knees. Here we go. Whenever you change a motor, always put a new capacitor on it. Here's the moment of truth. It's running. Always check the rotation also.